Interrupt your regular programming at the request of the White House. This is a national level emergency. The President of the United States or his representative will speak over the emergency alert system shortly. Interrupt your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and NASA. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, several reports have came in that the sun is not showing in the sky, but the moon is. By the way, Mortis 911 pulse have came in that a strange pony is killing any people that it sees. It has black and blue skin, green eyes, blue and purple tail and hair, has blue armor, black and blue lips, sharp teeth, and a unicorn horn on top of its head. It resembles Nightmare Moon. The bird from My Little Pony. Do not approach Nightmare Moon, as you are putting your life in extreme danger. The police have arrived at the scene. At this time it is advised to grab food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered or a hand-cranked radio to last you and your family for at least 1 month. The President is leaving the White House and is now driving to a safe location at this time. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed.